Hello, myself, Mr. Vittal Babasaheb Kedar, Abasaheb Kakade, Arts and Science College, Bodegaon, Department of Chemistry. Today, we will discuss the atomic nucleus and their elementary particles. The atom consists of two regions. One is nucleus and another is outer sphere. Then see here the atom, that is, these are the atoms of one elements. It consists of two regions. The one is nucleus, the central part, that is the tiny central core is nucleus, the central, and the another is outer sphere, that is the extensive surrounding space. This surrounding space, that is the outer sphere. There are these two parts. It consists of two parts, nucleus and outer sphere. The nucleus consists of three regions, that is two regions. One, it consists of protons, then another neutrons. Then electrons are revolved around the nucleus, that is the third part, and these three parts is called as the elementary particles of atom, that is the electrons, protons and neutrons. These three are the elementary particles of the atom. Then electrons revolve around the nucleus and then proton and neutrons in nucleus. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन हे न्यूक्लियसच्या सभोवताली फिरत असतात आणि प्रोटॉन आणि न्यूट्रॉन हे त्या न्यूक्लियस मध्ये असतात. The electrons consist of negative charge, proton consist of positive charge, then neutron consist of neutral charge. Neutral, there is no any charge, that is positive, negative. In neutron, that is zero, is called neutral charge. These three elementary particles in all except hydrogen, all atoms consist of these three elementary particles except the ordinary hydrogen. Then see here hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. Atomic number is equal to number of electrons in neutral element. There is no any charge, then atomic number is equal to number of electrons. Then there is any charge, that is positive or negative, then plus one charge, then one electron less, then minus one charge, one electron add. There is atomic number is equal to not electrons in positive or negative element, but in neutral element the atomic number is equal to number of electrons. Then in hydrogen number of electrons is equal to 1 because of atomic number is equal to number of electrons. Then number of protons and number of neutrons. Then mass number is equal to, in hydrogen mass number is equal to 1, that is A. It is denoted by A, and atomic number is denoted by Z. Then in neutral hydrogen number of protons is equal to number of electrons. जेवढे त्याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत तेवढेच त्या ॲटम मध्ये म्हणजे न्यूट्रल कंडिशनला त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोटॉन्स असतात. मग आपल्याला हे तीन बाबी त्या ठिकाणी हायड्रोजनच्या बाबतीत पाहिजेत. देन इन हायड्रोजन number of electrons is equal to 1, number of protons is equal to 1. Then next, that is the neutron. Then neutron is equal to A minus Z. Neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number or number of electrons or number of protons in a neutral element. Then N is equal to A 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. न्यूट्रॉन ऑर्डिनरी हायड्रोजनमध्ये 0 आहे, म्हणजे फक्त एकमेव असा पूर्ण 119 एलिमेंटपैकी एकमेव हायड्रोजन ऑर्डिनरी असा आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये न्यूट्रॉन 0 आहे. बाकी सगळ्या एलिमेंटमध्ये न्यूट्रॉन मग त्या ठिकाणी आहेत, ते आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये पाहणारच आहोत. मग इन हायड्रोजन atomic number 1, then number of proton 1, number of neutron 0, number of electron 1. Proton consist of positive charge, electron consist of negative charge, in neutron neutral charge. Then next example, oxygen 816 and oxygen 817. Both are oxygen elements, only the mass number is changed. One is the 16 and another is the 17. Atomic number is same, mass number is different, that is called as isotope. Then in oxygen 816, number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of electrons, the oxygen 816 is the neutral element, there is no any charge. The number of electron is equal to number of atomic number. Atomic number is equal to 8, then number of electrons is equal to 8. The number of protons, then atomic number or number of electron or number of proton. These three are same in each and every element except elements in neutral condition. जर तो न्यूट्रल कंडिशनला नसेल तर मात्र त्या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रॉन त्या ठिकाणी वेगळे असू शकतात. न्यूट्रल कंडिशनला मात्र इलेक्ट्रॉन ॲटॉमिक नंबर इतकेच असतात. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी पहा, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इज इक्वल टू 8. दीज atomic number of electron, number of proton and atomic number. Then number of proton is equal to 8, number of electron is equal to 8. Then last one, number of neutron, that is A minus Z. In oxygen, A, that is the mass number, is equal to 16. Then 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Then oxygen 816, number of proton is equal to 8, number of electron is equal to 8 and number of neutron is equal to 8. All three are same. In second condition, only difference is mass number change, that is 16 to 17. Then number of electron same, that is the atomic number. Number of proton is equal to number of electron, that is number of proton is equal to 8. In that case, then difference in number of neutron, because number of neutron is equal to A minus Z, and in that case 17 minus 8, then number of neutron is equal to 9. In that case, the number of neutron is changed. This formula is most important to calculate number of neutrons in all atoms, that is the all elements. Hydrogen 2 last 119 or something increases 122. In some cases it gives 126 or so on, but 119, that is 119 elements except hydrogen. All elements contains proton and neutron in nucleus, and around nucleus electrons are revolved. In ordinary hydrogen, only electrons and proton, there is no neutron. In other cases, that is hydrogen 1 2 or hydrogen 1 3, then hydrogen 1 1. These three are the isotopes of hydrogen. These are the ordinary hydrogen. In that case there is no neutron, but the another two isotope, it contains protons, neutrons and electrons. Then third one, that is 1 3 hydrogen, isotope of hydrogen, it contains protons, neutrons and electrons, but only ordinary hydrogen, there is no neutron. Then atomic nucleus, atom, nucleus, it consists of two regions, nucleus, this part, and outer sphere around nucleus part. Then electron increases, then spheres are increases. Their example, nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Ordinary hydrogen only protons and electrons, there is no neutrons, and all other elements consist of protons, neutrons and electrons. The next topic next tomorrow. Thank you.